Investment in child development, starting from early ages, yields the highest returns, particularly in the first 1,000 days from the childbirth. It is a crucial stage for brain development and the echo-related learning phase. The key foundation in child development includes secure access to public services like healthcare, education, and social securities. Educating their parents and caretakers also provides children with a better opportunity to develop to the fullest of their physical, emotional, intellectual, and social potentials. Suandusit University is the first higher education institute in Thailand that offers a bachelor degree in early childhood education. In 1934, the university was originally established as the first official home science school in Thailand, with the main purpose of providing a 4-year curriculum in home economics for women at that time. Later on, the Ministry of Education had set up the Utit Demonstration School in the university campus, as the first public kindergarten school in Thailand, of which is the root of the university expertise in early childhood education. At La Utit School, kindergarten teachers have been extensively practicing and developing their knowledge and skill in early childhood teaching and learning arrangements. The Utit Demonstration School is an institution that provides students with teacher training and developing teaching skills. Eventually, in the year 1975, the Faculty of Education at Suandusit University started offering a 4-year degree Bachelor of Education program in early childhood education. Later on, according to Thailand Education Reform in 2009, all bachelor degrees programs in education were extended into 5-year degree programs, an extra year for student teaching practicum. Apart from degree programs, Suandusit also provides professional training courses for all levels of teaching professionals from school teachers to university faculties. The university has long been producing qualified early childhood education teachers to the society, as well as competent teaching graduates that are ready to work in ASEAN. Suandusit University has initiated to use iPad as a teaching tool with the aim of preparing early childhood education students with the 21st century skills. With the economic, political, and cultural changes of society and technology play an important role to both young people and adults. Many schools in both Asia and Europe use a smart classroom as a new teaching method in preparation of educational management for digital citizens. Communication, collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking are important skills for 21st century teachers in developing education systems to adapt to a fast-changing world. Teachers are regarded as important human resources who can connect early childhood education to the development of powerful young people of the country in the future. International Seminar on Overcoming the Challenges of Early Childhood Education in the 21st Century.